How you guys doing today, guys? This is Holy Mike EPG Studios. I hope you're having an awesome day. So we're gonna be talking about the stock market and Wall Street and all that kind of yada yada stuff. Yeah. So apparently, if I understand correctly, so Reddit and online regular folks were able to manipulate the stock market and actually gain profit from the stock market, damaging all the rich cakes and billionaires at Wall Street, right? So you have some politicians that have been going out saying, well, this needs to be regulated like now, this needs to be fixed, blah, blah, blah. Okay, because they're losing millions of dollars and they're over here talking about how it needs to be regulated, okay? And I appreciate what a lot of YouTubers have been saying about this incident, that the fact is that Wall Street, all those rich billionaires always been ripping off average day people, manipulating the stock market. But then when average people mess with the stock market, then it's seen as a bad thing. It doesn't make any sense. Well, anyway, look at AMC stock. AMC stock did go back down, went down $11 today. But it was at its peak at $20, which AMC has been down bad because of, COVID-19. People have been going to movies, all that kind of stuff. So they've been kind of down bad. Well, if you look at look at GameStop stock. GameStop stock is still higher than what it was. I remember when GameStop was like $2. Okay, right now its peak was $492, and it's at $193 is $60. So those people that sold because they thought the markets would stay down lost a ton of money, right? So you have Elizabeth Warren not happy about it, whatever. So she says, we need an SEC that has clear rules about market manipulation, blah, blah, blah. Warren said to have a healthy stock market, you have to co-fund the okay, healthy stock market. The stock market doesn't benefit regular people, though. So by who's saying that the fact is we need a healthy stock market because it affected her and the rich politicians' money income, then that is what's ticking everybody off. Let's click out of this. Did not really respond to see request. Senator from joins after Walgreens' first popular trading app, Robinhood, to restrict access to high-flying stocks at center of controversy. You can't restrict people from buying stock. I mean, they're trying to regulate of only certain people can buy stock. That is jacking up. That's like causing. It's like trying to regulate. Oh, your type can only buy stock. Your type can only buy stock. No, I'm sorry. That's not because of you guys don't want regular people playing with the stock market. I'm sorry. That's not how I like seeing it going. I don't like it seeing it that way. Okay. So if you go on Twitter, we can look at some of the Twitter stuff. Let me see. I can zoom in a little bit too, so y'all can read it. So if you look at the Twitter and stuff that's going on here, right? So, for Twitter here, right? So, Wall Street has no right to halt trading just because the masses on social media are making money off the expense. And huge funny billionaires who shorted GameStop, ANC, and other companies. This is called rigging the game. It's against small investors, but it's grossly unfair. I like that. I'm gonna go ahead and like that. If we take a look at the comments here, you have no idea what you're talking about. Let's start here. There are rules to have protect market integrity. This person has more comments than likes, so obviously it's too. It's like naked shirts are supposed to be banned after the last financial. But the two, let's market this side is trading halts all typical. Yes, because yeah, the irony in this statement. Yeah, so yes, they do. At scale, the rent trading could cause financial crisis. The assurance the rich always survive a financial crisis. The people do not. This is irresponsible. More comments than likes. Why are you calling this revenge trading? But while certain over 100% of a company basically destroying it, is that okay? That's a fair statement. That is a fair statement. That is because we're failing, which has been totally fine. Blah blah blah. But how is it? That doesn't make any sense. Because if you already own stock, you can't prevent from trading it though. That is kind of stupid. It's like saying. I didn't quite understand that one, but 90% of stock is wealth owned solely by the rich. There already is financial credit. This have been a long time. If you call this revenge trading, you should also be using the term for huge fund managers who do the same thing. That is, this guy's an idiot. This guy is a real idiot right here. Yeah, so Yoga, one of my favorite YouTubers. We look at Wall Street explodes economy at the expense of others. Wall Street life is good. Reddit explodes economy at the expense of Wall Street. Wall Street mama, no fear, regulate this. I like that. Only when Wall Street's losing money at their own game is the system settling rigged. I like that. Won't even exploit. The huge funds will overshooting, so it's calculated. Wall Street, you're stealing it from us. Game is still. No, I'm taking it back. Can you explain this stuff is going on now in business? But how come Wall Street's losing money because of game? Did they invest all their stock in gaming? Wall Street for decades versus yesterday. It's called a free market for a reason. We don't need to regulate rules. We can profit how we please. Please regulate to make us Reddit stop and bail us out. That's just completely true. Like, they've been playing how it's a free market now and it's biting in the butt. They're like, please make it stop. So yeah, as you guys can comment below, let me know. Well, if it isn't the consequences of my own actions. Well, I think what happened is fair, and I think these politicians need to shut up because they're really showing their true colors with everything. Make sure you guys like and subscribe, guys. This is an interesting video. Leave in a comment what you think about the situation, and I'll catch y'all later.